Learn how to create and configure lead scoring in the CalSoft Group dashboard by adding scoring criteria and conditions to prioritize leads effectively. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on System. Click on Lead Scoring. Click on Add Lead Scoring. Enter the data. Click on Conditions. Click on Add Condition. Click on Field Name. Select Lead Status. Click on Condition. Select Equal. Click on the Lead Status field. Click on 1. Click on Save. Lead scoring has been created successfully. Click on Lead. Click on Open in New. Click on 1. Click on Yes. Click on Reports. Click on Lead Scoring Report. The lead score is updated with the lead name in the lead scoring report.